Now, attachment to the central part of the posterior marginal urogenital diaphragm. So certain part of urogenital diaphragm also sometimes come up to this. Certain people have also opinion that sphincter, the urogenital diaphragm also contribute its formation, but clear-cut few books don't mention it. So in one go, we can say that it is situated at the boundary line. Okay, so behind this is anal triangle and anterior is urogenital triangle. Now, what are the structures present over here? First of all, right and left superficial transverse perineal. So transverse and perineal. The muscle which is transverse in nature and present in the perineum is named as transverse perineal. And this is the superficial one. Remember, these muscles are very small muscles. Right and left bulbospongiosis. So bulbous and spongiosis, this one. This is the bulbospongiosis muscle. And that is right and left. They are the two bulbospongiosis muscles are present. Then right and left deep transverse perineal. Still below this is another muscle which is named as deep transverse perineal. Another, in next slide I will make it more clear.